Today we will learn and understand the pulse jet baghouse filter cages and its venturi. We will learn and understand the purpose of the fabric filter cages and its venturi. We will cover the above topics in the upcoming slides. Next, we will learn and understand the purpose of the fabric filter cages. The purpose of the fabric filter is as follows. Bag cages support filter bags during operation. The purpose of the bag cage, it is used to prevent bag collapse. The bags are hung from a tube sheet near the top of the housing. Gas flows from the outside to the inside of the bag, and dust collects on the outside. To prevent the bag from collapsing during normal operation, wire cages are used on the inside of the bags. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Next, the purpose of the bag cage, it is used to extend bag's life. It is used to prevent bag collapse and abrasion. It is used to ensuring the bag maintains a consistent shape and surface area for airflow, thereby extending the life of the filter bags. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand the purpose of the fabric filter cages. The purpose of the fabric filter is as follows. Next, the purpose of the bag cage, it is used to improve cleaning. A venturi is used at the top of each cage to direct the pulse of compressed air. This provides an open structure that allows the cleaning pulse to effectively shake or pulse clean the bag. Cages typically are constructed with either 10 or 20 vertical wires. 20 wire cages are more expensive because they use nearly twice the wire as 10 wire cages. Both require horizontal wire rings to hold their shape, and require more spot welding. Advantages of a longitudinal wire cage. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. With less space between supporting wires, bag flexing is minimized, reducing abrasion. Next, we will learn and understand the purpose of the fabric filter cages with a venturi. The purpose of the fabric filter is as follows. Bag cages with a venturi support filter bags during operation. The purpose of the bag cage, it is used to increase the cleaning efficiency. The venturi enhances the pulse cleaning of the filter bags. It is used to distribute the pulse evenly across the entire surface of the filter bag. By creating a venturi effect, it draws in additional ambient air along with the compressed air, improving the cleaning effectiveness and ensuring uniform pulse distribution throughout the filter bag. It provides a stronger and more even shock wave to dislodge dust from the bag's surface, maintaining bag permeability and performance. The purpose of the bag cage, it is used to reduce compressed air consumption. The venturi is a cone-shaped or flared device placed at the top of the filter cage. It helps direct and accelerate the compressed air pulse during the bag cleaning cycle. By utilizing the venturi effect, it achieves effective cleaning with less compressed air, which reduces operational costs. The purpose of the bag cage, it is used to extend filter bag life. More effective and even cleaning reduces stress, wear, and abrasion on the filter bag, leading to longer service life. We hope everyone learns and understands the purpose of the filter cage and its venturi in the pulse jet baghouse. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.